Everyone, welcome. This is our app Kidozz 1 and it is under the policy education. We are representing our school, Marius Public School, in ATL Marathon 2022. I am Nandini and this is my fellow partner Khatija Hussain from Marius Public School, Guwahati. We are students of class 10. Firstly, I would like to give you a short introduction or overview of our presentation. It includes introduction to our project, reasons to choose this project, scientific principle involved, and at the last we will have a glance at the experimentation of our app.
This app is created for kids aging from 3 to 5 years who have recently started schooling. As many children haven't seen school, this app would give them a fair idea about their basics in the education journey. It comprises of the basic necessary information at the tip of the finger. It has audio-visual learning at one go. It can be used offline and repeatedly, except the watch more screen and the phonic features. Reasons to choose this project. We started this project during the COVID times when the parents were busy with their jobs and the children were left unattended and bored with their tablets, laptops and phones. Scientific principle involved. We used coding as a scientific principle. MIT App Inventor was used to code this app. Other apps used were AI Companion 2, Canva, Pinterest, YouTube, and many more for the reference and the pictures. We tried experimenting our app with small kids and we were happy to see their reactions.
Let's have a glance at the screen recording of our app. As you can see, this is our app as we click on it. Our home screen appears and under English we have alphabets, vowels, consonants, phonic sounds and games, and under maths we have numbers, spellings, game and so on. This is a drop down menu and as we click on it, we can know about us, our contact details, and about our app. Let's click on alphabets to know. As we click on tap here button, then a number of pictures comes here and each of them are clickable. That is, when we click on them, they speak up. Same here for vowels. Then for consonant. As you saw, we clicked on B and then on K. It is not like C and D are not clickable. Because of time limitation, we just click on some images and not all. But every image is clickable and as we click on them, they speak up. Let's click on phonic sounds to know more. When we click on phonic sound, a YouTube screen appears and we can enjoy YouTube videos related to phonic sounds here. Let's look at the game for English. It is based on alphabets and as you can see, here are some blanks and as we click on these blanks, a number of options appear. Now in this case, the correct answer was D. So as we click on D from the options, the correct answer appears here. Same here for E, then for J here, and so on. Let's go to the math section. This one is the number screen, and here as you can see we have two buttons, 1 to 25 and 26 to 50. 1 to 25 we have pictures from 1 to 25 and each of them are clickable. As I mentioned already, all of these are clickable. Because of time limitation, we just clicked on some images.
24, 26, 36.
The children can easily view these pictures and they can click on these images to know how they sound like.
49.
Then we have our spelling screen. We have spellings from 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. Each of them are clickable. Now let's go to the game related to maths. As you can see, it is the same like the game we had in English. It is fill in the blanks, and as we click on this, we know that the correct option will be 3. So let's click on 3 from the options and the correct option appears here. Same for 9 here, then for 20 here, and so on. Now let's go to our EVS section. In EVS, we have animals based on their eating habits, which are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. If we click on herbivores, herbivorous animals come here and each of them are clickable. Carnivores, same, and for omnivores. Then we have our habitat screen, in which we divided animals based on their habitat. This is our desert animals. Forest animals, and at the last we have polar region animals, which are polar animals. Then we have our game based on eating habits. As you can see, here are a number of buttons. Each of them represent an animal. As we click on animal, meat and fruits and vegetables come. We know that the correct option is fruits and vegetables, but if we click on meat, which is incorrect, this image comes where the elephant is having meat and is not happy, and we have try again button where they can try again. As we click on try again, the images appear again, and now we will click on the correct option to see. As we click on the correct option, we have our elephant eating the fruits and vegetables, and it is correct. It is the same for monkey and tiger. Now let's enjoy more from our watch more screen. In watch more, we have English rhymes and we can enjoy some videos from it. Then we can have a look at English rhymes, then Hindi rhymes, then good habits, English stories and Hindi stories. Each of these links to YouTube screens. So that was our app. I would like to conclude that Only this phonic sound screen and our watch more screen requires internet connection, otherwise they can enjoy our app offline. This is because in some schools we have phonic sound and those watch more, like we have English stories, Hindi stories and stuff. They are exception in some school, so that is why we made them an exception where internet connection is required. Otherwise offline every feature like alphabet, vowels, consonants can be enjoyed. So I would like Khatija to conclude our presentation.
For concluding the presentation, I would like to tell you what our roles were. We divided our screens and worked on them. We also had meetings and worked on the screens together. There were difficulties we faced, but we came out of it. It was a very enjoyable and a learnful process. Thank you for listening to us.
And do try hard.